Hello and welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Fame Frequency took us back to the 70s and 80s over the weekend with the Saturday Night Fever. One of the highlights of the night was this magnificent turntable reveal by DJ Denver, who engaged fans as he expertly scratched that DJ itch, along with mixing and blending of some oldies but goodies.
Turntables are really my preferred weapon of choice. I don't think they're a dying breed. I think that they're dead because Jamaicans and Jamaican DJs will see them as old school equipment. But if you look at the world stage, most or the majority of DJs on the worldwide stage that are turntablists and battle DJs will still use turntables. What kind of makes it special for me to mix on turntables is the fact that it feels very tactile, it feels very real and hands-on, so while a controller is a digital board, a turntable will give you that analog feel.
DJ Denver was part of the carefully selected set for a night of retro music bliss. The Captain Colin Hines showcased his immense catalog and pro skills. The Fame FM DJs were joined by Radio Jamaica DJs, the round robin master himself, Donovan Dakers, and young king DJ Deli, who made everyone want to dance with somebody.
Wasn't like any other retro party what we do before. This one was strictly dancing, strictly the hits of the 70s and the 80s, and yeah, just a little tooks.
Now to seal the night, host with the energy, Jenny, and the VIP patrons were dressed as 70s and 80s babies, adding the color and flair as they had the time of their lives on Saturday Night Fever. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.